Hey there, and welcome back to our PowerApps series. In today's video, we're diving into something simple but super important, the equal to operator. This operator is used all the time in PowerApps to check if two values are exactly the same. Now, if you're using Copilot, it can help you write PowerApps formulas quickly. It's super handy for generating expressions like this on the fly, but there's a catch. When things don't work as expected, debugging becomes a lot easier if you understand how these operators work behind the scenes. So even with Copilot, knowing the basics is key, and that's what this video is aiming to help with. In PowerApps, we use the equal to compare two values. So even though it's called equals to, we use the equal sign to compare two values. Now, in this example, I'm going to just use a basic example with nothing. It's just a basic plain example. So if value 1 is equal to value 2, those values could be anything. PowerApps checks to see if these values are equal and returns either a true or a false, which is known as a Boolean value. Okay, so if these values can be any type, what does that mean then? Well, let's actually go into a real world example. If the string of Joe is equal to the string of Joe, we as humans can see that there are three characters. There is a capital J, there is a lowercase o, and there is a lowercase e. Is that equal to the capital J, the lowercase o, and lowercase e? Humans are going to see that and they're going to say, yep, that is true. So we will then get a true outcome in PowerApps as well, because the result is then going to be true because they are of the same type and they are exactly equal to. Hence the name equal to. This means that when PowerApps evaluates this expression, it confirms that the values match, so the result is ultimately true. What happens then if we were to use, for example, a string of 1, O-N-E, is equal to the digit of 1, so just the number 1? Well, us as humans, we can understand that might mean the same thing, but in PowerApps and to a computer, they are two different things, because one is a digit, it's a number, and one is a string with three different characters. So they are not exactly equal to, so the result would be false. So it's important to understand the different types, what you're trying to compare, and when to use equal to. So you can use equal to, the equal to operator, with all kinds of values, with numbers, with strings, and even with Boolean values. Anytime you need to check if two things are exactly the same, it is your go-to operator using the equal sign. So let's actually take a look at examples in PowerApps. So as you can see here with PowerApps on the screen, I've got Joe is equal to Joe, and in the text import at the bottom, you can see it just says true. What about Copilot Studio then? Well, in Copilot Studio, I've added a message and I've done the same thing. A string of Joe is equal to Joe. You can see that the type is of Boolean, and what that will return is again true. But because Copilot Studio is a chat program, it also then translates into yes. So if I was to run this in Copilot Studio and I was to run the phrase example, it will go through this message. It will do Joe is equal to Joe. It will be a Boolean value of true, which will then get translated into yes in the chat prompt. And that is it for today. I hope this quick lesson has helped you understand the equal to operator in PowerApps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more PowerApps tips. See you in the next one.